Promoting your Depop shop involves showcasing your products creatively and engaging with the Depop community to attract buyers. Stunning visuals. Capture high-quality, aesthetically pleasing photos of your products. Utilize natural lighting, varied angles, and interesting backgrounds to make your items stand out. Complete profile. Craft an engaging bio, add a profile picture, and include a link to your website or socials. Describe your brand, style, and what buyers can expect from your shop. List consistently. Regularly add new items to your shop to keep it active and attract more attention from Depop's algorithm and potential buyers. Utilize tags and descriptions. Use relevant keywords and hashtags in your product titles and descriptions to increase search visibility within the platform. Engage with the community. Follow, like, and comment on other Depop shops. Participate in Depop community events, challenges, or forums to increase your shop's visibility and network with potential buyers. Storytelling through captions. Craft compelling and detailed descriptions for your products. Share stories, styling tips, or inspirations behind your items to connect with your audience. Offer promotions or bundles. Create attractive deals, discounts, or bundle offers to entice buyers and encourage multiple purchases. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries and shipping orders quickly and securely.